Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learn Microsoft Excel interview questions and answers for financial experts who are going to applying an interviews and upgrading their career in terms of job opportunities to increase their salary levels. Let's see what questions they may face with the help of ChatGPT. I'm trying to getting and sharing with you today. If you are new to watching this video channel first time, subscribe and support us. Let's ask the ChatGPT Excel interview questions and for financial experts. Let's see. Most cases we may see like data analyst or data analytical skill question and answers, they may get it. So ChatGPT is also suggesting how do you calculate the net present value. So NPV. So the calculating NPV in Excel, NPV rate range of cash flows, it's suggesting where rate is the discount rate and the range of cash flow, which is going to be you have to explain for this NPV. So the next question immediately, the differences between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. How do you define each? Yes, VLOOKUP is used to search a value in the last most column in the table, return the value same row from a specified column in the right. HLOOKUP is, it would be like a horizontally find and it will return the column. Generally VLOOKUP is more commonly used, but HLOOKUP can be specified like a row below, and it's a like a HLOOKUP can be useful for certain applications such as having a data arranged with a horizontal way rather than vertical. So you can easily understand VLOOKUP will be used to write for vertical data. HLOOKUP is used to apply for horizontal data. So the next question, what it is Excel like suggesting, how do you create pivot table in Excel? Yes, it's a super easy. Using a data table where you want to create a pivot table, you have to select the data table, go to insert and there pivot table, select the pivot table to create pivot table, and such as you have to specify the range of data and where the pivot table to be created, in existing or new, that you have to specify. Then drag from the range to range which is comes under the pivot table. Yes, once you select the range, you have to select like what the rows and columns defining to making a group and getting an analytical like statistical data result sets. These are all the steps you have to explain how to make these things. The next one, how do you use COUNTIF and what does it do? COUNTIF function used to count the number of cells arranged in the certain criteria. COUNTIF is a COUNTIF range criterion. So the range is the cells where the range like from A1 to something like A10 or A20 what you are giving, and the criteria like greater than 10 are males or females, how you are defining. The purpose we are going to use this COUNTIF. What is the purpose of PMT? In Excel, why we require to use it? So PMT function in Excel used to calculate the periodic payment for loan or investment based on the fixed interest rate, other factors such as terms loans, investment loans, present value, NAP like net asset value, future value investments, these things. The syntax for PMT is PMT rate, comma, NPER, comma, PV present value, comma, PV of brackets and type. The rate of period, NPER, is the total number of payment periods. Is going to be applied in the formula. So type 0 payments due to the end of each period, 1 for payment due to the beginning of the each period, Those you need to define to complete the formula. So such a great formulas if you explain in your interview how to apply with your real world data, definitely you will be get inside a few examples and like getting your career ahead. For Excel Zero to Hero, Hari System is also offering great online courses. Find below link for such a online course, self-paced, where you are having a time and schedule your time and learn it. Practical oriented questions and answers, lectures you will learn with the data. And if you feel this video lecture is useful, this interview questions even, subscribe and support us for such type of more interview questions and answers and the IT relevant video lectures. Thank you. Thank you for watching.